Kathy Wood. She thinks recession is ready here. And I kind of agree with that because when we get our GDP number, we'll see 2 consecutive quarters of declining. So they'll verify recession. But she's saying it's much worse than that. Everyone's focusing on recession. Everyone's focusing on high inflation. But what people aren't paying attention to is deflation, which is really, really, really bad. So she states why she thinks we're in deflation already. First of all, she says, well, the money supply growth started to dip and could turn negative. And it's the first time since the 1930s when the U.S. was in depression. Second, the Federal Reserve raised the rates 7-fold from 0.25 in March to 1.75, and it's about to go even higher with the one that's coming later this month. And the last time in the 80s, it just doubled one time, right? This time we went up not only one time, 7 times. So the current movement is a real shock, and she believes that the Fed needs to reverse course ASAP. She believes that, yeah, they need to stop. They need to stop, and when I say they, the Fed needs to stop raising rates right now, because if the Fed continues to raise rates, the U.S. economy is going to go into free fall, and it's going to get much worse. Right, so that is what she's saying. So yeah, there are obviously a lot of people that are not looking towards the second half of this year, thinking that it may get much worse. Something else she's looking at is the 2-year and 10-year yield curve has inverted. That's another deflationary sign. So that is bad. I mean, overall, what she's saying is very, very, very bad, which is why so many people are bearish at this point. However, they're not everyone. Not everyone is in agreement. So again, you got one side that thinks it's really, really bad or going to get real bad, and one side that thinks, well, you know what, things are actually improving. If you look at what's going on around the world, a lot of the headline inflation stuff is starting to dissipate, starting to get better, right? And if inflation tapers out, that means the Fed can slow its course and, things could pick up, right? So, again, 2 sides right now. I guess we'll see who's right. If you are new to the space and you're looking to buy your very first Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other crypto, head over to CryptosRus.com and click on Best Crypto Exchanges. This will give you a list of all the major exchanges out there to choose from.